Hi everyone. So I have an old pair of shoes. As you can see, they're a little bit scratched over here. They're not the best ever quality, and they're very worn. But I decided to write some sort of formulas on them. So at the moment I've got just something for some sums, which I think they look really cool. And yeah, I'm gonna add multiple things, and I will film on the way. So you're just gonna see like short clips. Now I had these shoes. I've made these ones last year, and they look really cool. So you see that's one side, and that's the other side. They're quite worn at this point as well, but I thought I have one pair that looks like this, really awesome, and then I think I want a pair that looks like this as well. So these ones were made with like white, and these ones are kind of like silvery. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but they're like silvery. They're not white. So yeah, I'm using these pens. Just a bit. I'm using these pens over here. They're water-based, permanent. This one survived for like a year, and I think I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, that's what I'm using. And yeah, I hope they're gonna look way nicer, and you won't be able to see all of these scratches and stuff. And even if you see them, hopefully they're just gonna look cool with the scratches and all. Yeah, oh, like that. So 15 minutes in, this is how it looks like so far. So they're not like very complicated formulas or something, and I'm just like randomly writing on it. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I had some empty space over here, so I've made a little heart, and I've done the same on the other side, so that, yeah. But I had way more space on this side than on the other side, so they're not exactly symmetrical, but you know what, I think they look really cool. I'm considering to write on the front as well, or maybe not on the front completely, but on this side all the way around. But I feel like I shouldn't write with that one. Maybe I should write with, what other colors do I have? I have two colors I haven't opened. I have, is this proper black? I think this is black. And this is gold. So, and then I haven't used the white on these shoes at all. So, yeah, I don't know. But this is one shoe. So after I finish one shoe, I'm gonna go on to the other one. So one shoe, this is what it looks like so far. Okay, so a little later, I decided to put a little bit of pie over here on the side. It kind of like, it fades and it goes away. And this is the white that I'm using on this shoe. So the one on the top is the silver, that's the white. So you can see the difference. I'm so sad it doesn't actually shine properly on the camera. And I've decided to put like a golden bit on the side over here. So it goes all the way. It's not the most straight line ever, as you can see. It goes all the way on the other side. And I'm not gonna put pie over here, so I think it will look nice just on the outside of the shoe. And probably that's gonna be it. I think the front looks, I mean, it's still scratched here, but it looks decent. For something. So yeah, I'm gonna repeat exactly the same things on the other shoe. Exactly the same bits. So I won't do anything different. Identical on the other side. So yeah, I'm probably gonna film the next one when this shoe is completely done. And after I see how this one looks like, if I feel like the scratches are just too much, I'm gonna think about something else to put on the side as well. Yeah, so hopefully this is gonna look nice. So, second shoe done. I kind of messed up a little bit on the second one on this side. As you can see, I kind of like started the formulas way too close to this one, and I had too of a big of a gap there, and these ones, they're kind of like too close to the middle over here, especially this one. You can't really see what that was supposed to be, but other than that, I think it looks pretty okay. Now I still have these 2 scratches over here, but I'm not gonna be bothered at the moment. I think they look pretty okay. I've put the pie on the side, I feel, and it's symmetrical now. So I have the feeling that if I do anything on the front, it's just gonna be too much. So I'm gonna leave them as they are right now. And I think they look pretty nice. I quite like them. For like a random shoes that I'm gonna wear them randomly, so they're not like for fancy or special occasions or something, I think they look pretty cool. So yeah, I'm going to link this bit from Amazon if you want to use the same markers. In the end, I managed to use all 4 of them because I've used the black one because I made some mistakes in some places, and I just covered it with black and then did it all over again on the top. So I've used the silver one for this bit on the top, and I've used the gold one for the lining there. I've used the black one to correct the mistakes I've made, and I used the white one for this bit over here. Now it also, I think it has to do with the material. It's like, I'm really bad at describing this, so it's like fluffy material, and I think that's why the white looks like this, because on the other shoes this is the white, and yeah, but this is like a kind of like a leathery bit. This is it's like a fluffy. I'm really bad with like materials for this one, so if anyone knows the name of the material, just let me know. So yeah, that's kind of it. So yeah, I think they look decent, and yeah, I'm gonna put some extra photos on social media if you want to check them out. So yeah, I'll speak to you soon. Enjoy your day and have fun. Bye.